At Bryden Wood, we're more than engineers and designers. We're visionaries, collaborators, and change makers. We don't just imagine the future, we build it. We're a global strategy and design consultancy, accelerating decarbonisation, integrating technology, and rethinking how the built environment is created. From hospitals to data centres, transport to energy, we shape systems that shape lives.
Reputation and the fact that there is not many companies doing what we do.
I felt instantly interested by this mix of creativity and technology.
And to be able to work with architects, structural engineers, all different disciplines.
Working with different people in a collaborative environment was really exciting and a new prospect.
It was cool to come and see what can actually become way more efficient when you have all disciplines together.
Definitely dynamic and challenging. It's not just designing and building structures, it's more designing for impact. It's kind of a mix of fast-paced but very family-like environment.
In my team, we're 8 people, and then 7 of us were from different countries. Many people from different cultures, and that's really an enrichment to the company.
I think it's a really welcoming environment as well, and innovation and curiosity. You're with like-minded people.
There's a relatively flat hierarchy in the company, so especially if you're young from university, you could be working directly with the director, and you're the person, you're being asked, can you do that? What do you think?
Bringing, hybrid working and a 9-day fortnight is a really good work-life balance, but also a really good office culture. People have lunch together, it's pretty chill, everyone talks and it's very friendly.
Our culture is built on our core values: collaboration, integrity, curiosity, and integration. These aren't just words, they're how we work, lead, and grow. We bring disciplines together, we ask big questions, we solve for complexity. We work hard, but we also know how to make work feel good. At Bryden Wood, our culture goes beyond the projects. From breakfast in the office and terrace drinks to games nights and team socials.
The thing that I like most is that it's really challenging, but it's really rewarding.
Each project have different perspectives, of course, because they are in different countries. So that make you learn about your job, about who you working need to do, and that improve yourself.
I feel I'm given the trust and therefore also the responsibility that helps me grow and learn, and I also feel that there's a huge support network.
It's a really great environment. I think it's really collaborative and everyone really focuses on teamwork.
You can ask anyone a question and everyone will help you. It's the culture here that is probably my favourite thing.
We're shaping the future with intelligence, empathy, and design. Innovation isn't a buzzword here. It's a responsibility. Our teams are tackling climate goals, redesigning critical systems, and unlocking new possibilities for society.
I'm going to go with welcoming, diversity,
Innovative,
Multidisciplinary,
Integrated.
collaborative,
Really collaborative.
fun.
Motivating.
Definitely progressive.
I thought about this for a little while actually. This quality is the word I'd use.
Do it.
Yeah, basically. I think
Come along.
I would say, go for it. I think it's a great place to work.
Be ready to work hard, but also meet some good people. If you're motivated, open-minded, and willing to learn, it's definitely a place for you.
There are a lot more opportunities than maybe at a much smaller practice that focuses on one sector. So it's really exciting.
Go for it. It's been an amazing couple of years for me, to be honest, in terms of the things that I've learnt and driving forward my career.
This is Bryden Wood, where ambition meets impact, where people grow, ideas thrive, and change happens. Come build the future with us.